Hi everyone and welcome back to this month's edition of Stock Talk, my favorite segment of the month.
Mine too, actually.
And of course I'm here with Melissa to discuss beaten down stocks with brightening outlook. In these recent market conditions, many companies have experienced hardships, but moving forward, not all of them share a negative outlook. Melissa, thanks so much for joining me.
It's great to be here today.
And why don't we start with discussing the idea we're here to talk about today?
Absolutely. So for today, we're going to be taking a look at the stock universe from a different market point of view. Other than using our typical screens, such as price, dividend, yield, and growth factors, we're going to take a look at stocks that have been beaten down due to recent market conditions. Furthermore, we're going to take a look at the same stocks and see if any of them have any positive analyst outlooks over the market moving forward. Over the past few months, there's been a stock rally, and a lot of companies have been left behind. Not all for good reason, though. So this might be an opportunity for some investors.
Great. So Melissa, how are we going to filter through our universe and find these stocks?
We're going to start by filtering through the CPMS Canadian universe, taking a look at companies that have received price declines over the past 60 days. Furthermore, we're going to take a look at the CPMS analyst factors and try to find some with positive analyst expectations from a share price, growth, and revenue point of view.
So what are the stocks?
Polaris Minerals Corp, Westport Innovations, Alterra Power, Airboss of America, IMT, CNC Energia, Amerigo Resources, Couche-Tard, Empire Company, and GCL.
That list of companies is quite mixed, everything from convenience store operators over to new technology.
Absolutely. I mean, they come from all different areas within the stock universe. I would say the only thing they have in common is the uncertainty of the direction they're going to take moving forward in the market. But thinking of analyst expectations just being one idea to speak about in Stock Talk, it's something worth considering, just some different ideas for investors. At the end of the day, it's very important that you do your own research, understand the analyst and why their expectations are, understand the company itself, and maybe even consult with your investment advisor if you're working with one to make sure that's suitable. And all things pointing to yes, it could be an excellent investment opportunity.
Yeah, and you're correct. Analyst optimism is definitely just one piece of the puzzle.
Exactly.
There are other things to consider, including risk and asset allocation.
Yes.
And our colleague, Dr. Paul Kaplan, actually just did a great video on asset allocation, and that can be found on morningstar.ca.
Excellent.
And just a reminder, Melissa is not providing financial advice. We do encourage you to speak with a financial planner or advisor before selecting stocks. CPMS software is only available to investment advisors and institutional clients. However, you can find free stock quotes at the top of morningstar.ca.